Here's the question. What happens if you apply for a job on LinkedIn and then hibernate your LinkedIn account? I'm going to show you what happens by applying for a job and hibernating my account. Let's go say, hey, here's a job from Burriss Consulting to become a farmer. So if I read this job description, it's blah, 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 but I'm going to apply to it anyway, so I'm going to hit easy apply. And my email address, there's my phone number, and I don't have a resume. I'm just going to hit submit application. Do this haphazardly, but I'm applying. Boom. My application was sent to Burriss Consulting Inc. Let's go ahead and hit the X. I don't need to get started. Now let's go back to Burriss Consulting and see what this looks like. Give me a moment. All right, here's the job that was posted today. And I come down here and I look at, oh, look, I have 2 applicants. This is interesting. So let's go manage the job. And there's the 2 applicants, view applicants right there. I don't get why it says 2. There's really only 1. And so I could view her full profile, but let's stop right here. Let's say I didn't get this far, or maybe I have gotten this far, and you know what? I'm not ready to make a decision about how to engage with her, but let's pause. Watch what happens. Let's go hibernate her account. Settings and privacy. Sign, I think it's under account preferences. Hibernate account. I need a break. I'll be back later. Next. I need my password, and now I can hibernate. Boom, now that account is hibernated. Let's go back and look at that job. I'm going to have to hit refresh. Oops, the applicant's details failed to load. So let's go back to the top. Let's go view applicants. No results. Bottom line, if you apply for a job and then you hibernate your account, actually anything you do on LinkedIn, once you hibernate your account for all intents and purposes does not exist. If I go look for Reva Adams, hit enter, the Reva Adams that I had in here for that account does not exist. So it makes sense that also she will not show up as applied for that job because her profile has gone away. And you saw the error message. It said the applicant's data would not load. Bottom line, if you've applied for a job and you really want to have that conversation, don't hibernate your profile until you're done with that process. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.